आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so what is going to say in the question that the radius of the base of a cone is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute, right? And its altitude, which is height, is decreasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. It means that the altitude rate should be negative value because it is decreasing. The rate of change of lateral surface area when the radius is 7, okay, and the altitude is 24 centimeter is. Okay, so basically we have to find the rate of change of lateral surface area of a cone. What's given to us that dr by dt. If cone radius is r, then dr by dt is what? 3 centimeter per minute. It is positive because it is increasing. And dh by dt, which is our altitude or we can say height, is what? Minus 4 centimeter per minute. Minus 4 because it is decreasing. The rate is decreasing. And what else is given to us? That we have to find ds by dt when r is 7 centimeter and h is 24 centimeter. Right. So what we will do now? What is the lateral surface area for a cone? We know that S equals to pi RL. But before finding ds by dt, we have to find the value of L. Okay, so basically L is our slant height, right? This is our slant height, which is L. And we know the formula to find the value of L is under root of h square plus r square. Or we can say L square equals to h square plus r square. So this will become what? This will become 24 square plus 7 square, right? And the square will come out as 625, right? And this will be what? 25 centimeter. So the value of L will be 25 centimeter. And also to find S equals to pi r is our lateral surface area. To find this, we also required what? dl by dt. From this equation we can find dl by dt, or we can say L square equals to h square plus r square, right? So from this one we can find if we differentiate this equation with respect to t. So this will become what? We have L square equals to h square plus r square. So differentiate with both sides with respect to t. So I'll write it down. Differentiate both sides with respect to t. So it will eventually come out as what? 2L dl by dt, right? And this will be 2h dh by dt plus 2r dr by dt. We know every value of these terms. We know the value of h given to us, dh by dt is given to us, r is given to us, and dr by dt given to us. And also we find out the value of L. So we have to find only the value of dl by dt here. So I can write it down as dl by dt is basically 225, right? And this is 2. H was given to us in the question. What is h? 24. dh by dt was minus 4 plus 2. R was 7 and our dr by dt is 3. So they all will come out as, this will become 50 dl by dt equals to minus of 192 plus 42, right? So this will come out now. dl by dt will be minus of 150 by 5. So therefore dl by dt is what? Minus of 3 centimeter per minute, right? So now what do we do? We have to find ds by dt, change in surface area, lateral surface area of the cone. So since we know that S equals to pi of RL, so differentiating with respect to t, we will get ds by dt as what? Pi r dl by dt plus L dr by dt, right? So we can write them down as now pi, this will what? 7, and this is our minus 3. We just find the value of it. L is what? Our 25 and this is 3, right? So this will become pi minus of 21 plus 75, right? So after this it will become what? Basically 54 pi centimeter square per minute, right? Our ds by dt will be 54 pi centimeter square per minute, right? And this is our answer we are looking for. So basically the rate of change of lateral surface area of cone is increasing with the rate of 54 pi centimeter square per minute. Yes, that's it.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।